Hello all you people out there. In this video the Vikings visit the Bundaberg Rum Distillery. The rum distillery is located in the northeast part of the city near the Burnett River. It was originally established back in 1888 in order to use the molasses, which are a byproduct of the sugarcane refining process. Bundaberg Rum is a well-known brand worldwide and is still going strong. In the 60s they adopted a polar bear as their mascot. This mascot has featured in a number of very successful advertising campaigns on TV and other media. It's a bit of a contrast to use a polar bear for a brand that originates in what we call the Sunshine State. However, the main reason for the polar bear is the fact that up until the 1950s, Bundaberg rum was only well known in Queensland, not anywhere else. An entrepreneur called Sam McMahon entered into a joint venture with the Milliquin sugar mill, who were the producer of the Bundaberg rum, in order to distribute the rum outside Queensland. Sam decided to adopt a consistent marketing brand and created a bottle with a yellow label and had the bear at the top. This was in contrast to other rum drinks featuring black labels and walking men with canes or a bat. Where us Vikings came from originally, we are a lot closer to polar bear territory. And polar bears have landed on the shores of Iceland on drift ice from Greenland over a long period of time. So as a child, I've seen stuffed polar bears and reports of polar bears coming ashore, threatening to kill the local population due to them starving on the drift ice. Thus, when I saw these TV ads featuring the polar bear out of sunny Queensland, I decided to visit one day and say hello to Mr. Bundy Bear, as he is called. The distillery is open to the public and features a hall with the history of the Bundaberg distillery. They of course have Mr. Bundy Bear in there as well. There is a big distillery store where you can buy all their products. Plus they offer a tour of the factory so you can see how they make their rum from the beginning to the end. The distillery is located next to the sugarcane mill, so they don't have to go far for the molasses. Unfortunately, they don't allow you to take photos or videos on the factory tour, so I've only appended some photos at the end of this video featuring me in Viking gear tackling Mr. Bundy the bear, and also pictures from the history hall and the distillery store. Yes, I put on my Viking gear and had a chat to Mr. Bundy Bear. I had to get some special permission from Bundaberg Rum marketing team, but in the end they allowed me to do that, so thanks to them for that. So enjoy some of the photos at the end.